Good evening, viewers, and welcome to this week's edition of Ton Blockchain News. I'm Tonio, here to guide you through the latest and most exciting developments from the world of Ton. Let's get started. We kick off tonight's broadcast with the crowning of the Battles Open League champion. Congratulations to Tonkeeper, who took home a grand prize of approximately $9,500 in NOT and the prestigious title of League Champion. In a generous display, Tonkeeper is sharing 10% of the prize with their worthy competitor Toncats. Moving on to consumer news, Oyster Labs has randomly selected 6,000 UBS holders to receive full refunds for their phone purchases, promoting global smartphone accessibility. In financial achievements, Notcoin's Explorers program has passed a milestone, earning participants over $1.5 million across 20 campaigns amidst the celebration of reaching 40 million users. The Ton blockchain has experienced explosive growth, with its total value locked hitting an impressive $815 million in just 30 days, according to CryptoRank. Anon pass holders have a reason to celebrate with the activation of monthly rewards, sourced from NFT collection royalties and various other income streams. Exciting news for startups. Foresight Ventures has announced the launch of special cohorts by Foresight X Accelerator, aimed at boosting projects within the Ton ecosystem. Attention EVA XP miners. Important update, XP halving schedule has been updated. Here's the new timeline. First season runs until June 24th, second season from June 24th to August 1st, and third season starts on August 1st. Algebra, a leading DeFi protocol, is now live on the Ton blockchain, bringing its concentrated liquidity technology to over 25 exchanges. In travel news, Travala partners with Toncoin, allowing Ton holders to book over 3 million travel products worldwide, promoting a more inclusive travel economy. Ton has surpassed Ethereum in daily active addresses, a significant achievement driven by Telegram's massive user base. TonPad, a new Web3 investment platform, has launched on the Ton blockchain, offering a mini app launchpad for ICOs and investment rounds. The Ton USDT pool on ddust.io has achieved a milestone, surpassing $200 million in TVL, contributing significantly to the overall TVL of the Ton network. The Ton community has reached a new milestone, $500 million in total value locked, showcasing the vibrant growth and engagement within the ecosystem. In lighter news, Aqua Protocol and JetTon Games have launched a partnership contest, offering valuable prizes including NFTs and Jetton tokens. That wraps up this week's news. For more information and detailed discussions, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. See you there. I'm Tonio, and we'll see you next week with more updates.